Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. Today is May 3rd, and I'm doing another recap. It's a green day recap, 100% winning rate. Made to about $380 today. Trades that I made was on AHT and RHE. Quick scalped on AHT, $20 with 1.28% gain with 500 shares, and RHE made about $359 with 1,100 shares. With a return percentage of 3.64%. MLND is a new strategy that I've been working on. Traded this on April 28th, 2021, and hold it for about four trading days. And the return on that was 4.6%, 50 cents. So not bad on that swing trade, but so far I've been doing a lot of momentum trading. So I'm a momentum trading trader, and momentum trader, and yeah, so I've only been scalping here and there, making quick profit here and there. So yeah, it's kind of my thing on trading. Anyway, let's get into our trade this morning. I started trading on AHT, so let's go on AHT there. HT, woke up around 2 o'clock, showered, did my thing. Here in Colorado, mountain time, it was around 2 o'clock, and 5 o'clock is the time when market opens, pre-market opens on Thinkorswim. And so I saw this, started making this trend line, and everything, the top three trades, stocks that I was looking at, BTX, RHE, and AHT, was, I think VTRT was the other one I was looking at, but they were all going downhill, like downtrend. They were downtrending, and so as this was curling up, I said, okay, if it goes above the VWAP, it'll be a good trade. And so I was looking at this, and sure enough, as it goes above VWAP, broke my trend line, I would get in, and I got in at 312, way up here. This candle right here is not a great candle to trade in. Of course, I don't see that until it dropped back down here, and then it start finally, once it closed, it formed that candle. And so when I saw that candle, it's bearish candle. So I was getting ready to sell right here on VWAP, because it broke VWAP a little bit, but it sustained a little bit. And so as it started curling up, I was like, okay, I need to figure out when to trade, when to sell. And so right up here, as it spiked up to 317, the high was 317, I saw a huge seller, 100,000 sellers at 317, and I said, you know what, I'm selling mine at 316. So I sold 500 shares there at 316, took my $20 gain and ran. And so then I saw RHE. RHE was also going downhill, on pre-market, right here we see that the high was right there, made my trend line, and it was going down. Right at 5 o'clock, I was not interested, so I got on AHT. Once I'm done with AHT, I saw this curling back up, and right when it started curling back up, I wanted to buy this dip, but I was still hesitant because it's still below VWAP. VWAP is a volume weighted average, and so when the volume is not as strong, it will drop, right? But here it shows good, strong buying volume, and so as it goes up, I waited, dip, buy right here at 895 ish. I actually bought it at 891. 891 and 897, averaging at 895, and it continued breaking the previous high, right, of this candle. And so as it continued breaking, I chased more and more, right? I wanted to sell it right here at 950 for a $300 gain, but this thing happened so fast, within seconds, right? It opened right here, went up to 950. 950 is a mental resistance there, right? Any 10 cents, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, all the way to 100, or 25, 50, 75 cents. And so mental resistance there, and it dropped so hard, I wasn't even unable to be able to sell any of my shares there. As it goes down, I tried to buy a dip, and I got in right here at 882, but it still continue going down. The reason why I held this is because if you guys look from previous day, which was on Friday, this thing was creating a ascending triangle, right? You see this? The high was right here, around $10, the low right here, and it was creating a higher lows. And so as it was creating higher lows, I was like, okay, this still has potential. I'm gonna wait until it's open, which is 7:30 my time and 9:30 Eastern time. So as it started dropping down, I continue buying more here. I saw the support right there at 850. That was the resistance right there, right? Bought in at the 850, and it continued going up. It dropped a little bit here. I wanted to buy more at 850, but it didn't get me filled. Same thing right here, and so that was a good sign because it's showing that it's still momentum is still going upward. Up here, my average was about $9. I was gonna sell it here at 9.14 for about $50 gain, but that was not gonna met my my profit target for today. My profit target is $250 a day, and so didn't meet that, and so I waited. And sure enough, it broke that line, broke all the trend lines, and sold a quick sell here at 927, and sold the rest, which I had only had 100 shares left, at 985, and I made $359 today. And yeah, being for having a 1.68 million shares, this stocks is very volatile. That's what I said about last video, yesterday or Friday's video, that this thing was so volatile. I don't want to get trapped and holding negative $5,000, negative $10,000 bread at the end of the day. So I learned my lesson, especially on the 7:30. Everything is so volatile. At the open, 7:30 Mountain Time, 9:30 Eastern Time, it's always volatile. And so I didn't want to. I've seen the stock gone up $1, $2, $2, and then drop all the way to $5. And so I don't want to be in that position. Anyway, so yeah, today made a good return, 100% winning percentage. Hopefully I can continue keeping this up and being able to be green throughout the week and all the way to the month of May. And so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I am making a new logo here because I am making a new channel solely on trading only, right? Because this channel I want to just keep it on as gaming channel only, but the new channel is going to be DAM Trader, because I trade in the morning, and my name is Anangonis, and so I hope you guys can check that channel out. And yeah, hopefully if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and hopefully I can see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys. Peace out. See you next time.